Hi, my name is Alec with Meridian Service Metro District here in Colorado Springs, Colorado. And I've been seeing a lot of Orec videos online and got the opportunity to test some of their equipment here on our 40 acres of open space and ponds and our 20 or so miles of trails, and see what they can handle when it comes to our willows, reeds, wetlands, and that sort of thing. The Cyclone machine definitely leaves the material in a lot better shape than anything I've ever used. It's a lot smaller chunks, more laid on the ground, nothing sticking up, left over, very well masticated and mulched to where we don't have to come in and rake anything up or clean anything up by hand. The machine's done it all for us. It's very powerful for what it is and can eat up almost anything you throw at it. I was very surprised by the capabilities of it in the mud and water, basically close to the lake. It didn't slip or sink into the mud very much. The tracks helped keep it afloat, and the Cyclone machine really surprised me in what it could handle. The tracks kept it afloat in mud and water. It was up to my boot, almost to my ankle. I didn't even notice it, and the machine was going fine through it. And when it hits really thick willows, almost up to 1-inch caliper, it bogs down a little, but it handled it all, going slow and meticulous through it, and you rarely have to go back over yourself. It masticates it well enough to where it's mulched into the ground. Nothing larger than 2 feet long, if that, where other machines I've used leave 4-foot, 6-foot pieces of material that are just laying on the ground, and you have to come back and pick them up by hand most of the time. And all it did was save us time and effort, and the ease of use of the equipment was amazing, and it's just robust and goes through anything and doesn't hesitate and will just keep going. It really surprised me. I'm pretty surprised at what it could handle, like growth wise. I'm thinking close to 1-inch caliper willows it was going through. You have to go probably speed 1 versus 2 or 3, but it moved through that stuff very surprisingly well. I didn't think it was going to make it, and it made it through. That Cyclone acted like the Tasmanian Devil and handled everything, shredded it up into pieces, threw it out, and it looks like nothing on the ground.